Executive Voices is the podcast series that takes you inside the world of top leaders. And in this episode, we have turned the spotlight on women in leaders. Now, every designation has a story of hard work, dedication, and resilience which we don't often hear and see. So, let's start, guys. We are so excited to have you here today at our podcast Executive Voices by Amplif.
I think I'm a business or marketing user of tech is how I would describe myself.
Yeah, it sounds nice. Let's just hire her. I am, because I'm realizing I think I'm taking the fun of it. Give me the easier ones.
Okay, I'll just
like you write.
Yes. I'll just go with this.
The fun of this fun exercise.
No, Deepika, I am thinking it's your life experiences that are shaping this.
Correct.
Let's do a podcast. Let's actually have women leaders and have them on board, hear them talk about their challenges, their strategic moves, their bold decision. If you had to unlearn something along the way, what did you unlearn?
That you cannot compartmentalize your life beyond a point. That you are wearing multiple hats and it's okay.
How has your leadership changed over time?
Apart from the risk taking, I think it's also ownership.
As women, we are always seen very emotional. Makes us very empathetic.
We keep iterating that this is high stakes, then it creates a pressure. Everything you do is high stake, embrace it.
How do you navigate through these difficult conversations without being labeled too aggressive or too emotional?
So when we answer these questions, remember that 22 years, 23 years of work is behind us when we answer these questions.
What about you, Vitika? How do you negotiate effectively?
I think it's important to bring our passion to work, but not necessarily bring all our emotions to work.
What about you, Aishwarya? Like, what systems or boundaries do you have to manage your energy levels?
I'm a little high energy and everything. There is no us versus them in the organization anymore. Everybody is my team.
With that, we can start with something fun. We have this game called Red Flag, Green Flag. You're thriving to be the smartest in the room. Yes, you are a fact checker.
Especially in the age of AI hallucination, please check for facts and
Someone coming and telling you that can you handle this high pressure client? It's going to be tough.
Yeah, I mean, always up for high pressure.
Risk taker or rule follower?
Rules need to be enforced by culture and processes. Risk in today's world has to be taken.
Okay.
So thank you so much. This has been super fun. And you can call us again. You know our number.
We will keep getting more executive voices. In the meantime, if you want to upgrade your leadership skills, at Amplif, we have a dedicated program only for women leaders. And in the meantime, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.